Oh, it's sour? I think that's Coca-Cola. It is?
My turn now.
It's not that much, huh? Wow. Okay, now you can drink. Take a sip. It's sour? I think that's strawberry flavor. Ooh, yucky. Wow, you finished it. Ooh, it's coming out of the toilet. Oh no. You're done. There's no more? Look at that.
Juicy head. Me, juicy head, and then his father.
Nice.
I was in the toilet the whole time.
Oh, you put water.
Oh! Can you sit inside? I'm pooping. Hello, I'm gonna go to the toilet.
Wait, what's in it? What's in it?
Hey, dog!
Oh no.
Bye, bye, bye.
Oh no, he's not pooping.
But inside, when somebody's pooping. Hey, my red eye! Hey, get out of there, you guys. Sorry, I'm gonna go. Ow! Ow! Okay, don't get in there again. It's Eon's turn. Ow! Can you please say sorry? Oh, I'm gonna pee. Ow! Ow! Not again! I've been phone 100 million times. I'm gonna be Wait. Hey, it's me. Can you hear me? I'm gonna open the door. Anyone pooping in there?
Not there.
Sorry, anyone pooping in there? Ouch! Ouch! No. I'm gonna get that baby out. I'm gonna bust them up. Sorry. Sorry for flushing you out. It's me, guys. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, you pushed on the bathroom. That's not the bathroom. The wrong way. Sorry. I'm gonna open the toilet. It's kind of cute. Cute or the toilet. Yeah. Hey, can you say sorry? What's your head? Let's say sorry. See what happened?
That was me.
Sorry, I had to kick you. Are you okay there? I'm gonna put